Today, I will demonstrate this 619. The binding and unlocking methods of this lock. There are many ways to unlock. Key unlocking, card unlocking, and mobile phone unlocking. Password unlocking. Users can use Google or by email to download the software. My Lock Butler. Take the app as an example. Open My Lock Butler. Find Device Management in My. Click the plus sign in the lower right corner to add a room. Set the room name, type, and floor. And confirm to add it. Go back to the home page. Open the newly added room. Click to bind the device. Enter the 999 hash key as prompted to bind. Click Me Settings. The door lock is bound successfully. Use your phone to unlock. Click on Generate Key. Enter the guest's name and phone number. Click Send Key. Generate a password. Send the password to the guest to open the door. You can also click Password Management to set a custom or one-time password to open the door. Click Card Management. Click the blue plus sign in the lower right corner to add a card. Enter the card holder's name. Click Add. Take out the card and swipe it. The card has been added successfully, and swipe the card to open the door.